God has done. And so I want to thank God for everything he's doing for the church and my father for the covering. He has been calling me every day, and I told him, I'm okay and I'm doing okay. But God called me to be a helper to one man, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. And I will stand with him. I will pray for him. And let me give a testimony. God has been good to us. When they went for him, God covered him. He is alive and well. And he's growing stronger and stronger every day. And he's a truthful man. The one and only Rigji. So when you see me dancing before the Lord, I know when you are down, you must praise the Lord. When you are up, you must praise the Lord. In challenges, praise the Lord. In good times, praise the Lord. When it is not working, praise the Lord. Because this God is a wonderful and a faithful God. Be always willing to give thanks to the Lord. And so receive his greetings. He sent his greeting. He would have come today, but he had to do something this morning. And I told him it is okay, but today allow me to go to my home church and be with my people and be able to bring that greetings. Our Father, thank you so much for standing with us, and everyone who has stood with us. I want you to pray for this country. And I want to pray for yourselves and to pray for the body of Jesus Christ. You must stand for what is true and what is just. You should never waver. It doesn't matter whether you go down or go up. You must always stand for what is true and what is just. And you must work for it. To the youth of this nation, I'm speaking to you. The future belongs to you. And this country is yours.